Ever thought about dancing your way to fitness? Picture this, a workout that's not just about moving your body, but also about moving your soul. Welcome to the world of aerobic dance workouts, a dynamic fusion of dance and cardiovascular exercise that's designed to get your heart pumping and your feet moving. Whether you're grooving to the rhythmic beats of salsa, shaking it up in a high-energy Zumba class, or mastering the moves of hip-hop, aerobic dance is about more than just exercise. It's about expressing yourself, unleashing your energy, and finding joy in movement. And the best part? It's a workout that suits everyone, regardless of fitness level or dance ability. So, whether you're a seasoned dancer or a complete beginner, aerobic dance welcomes you with open arms. Aerobic dance offers a holistic fitness experience that's not just about burning calories, but also about feeling exhilarated and free. Let's dive into the first benefit of aerobic dance workouts: cardiovascular health. As you sway to the rhythm of the music, your heart is getting a workout too. The heart-pumping action of aerobic dance isn't just about breaking a sweat, it's about improving blood circulation and oxygen supply throughout your body. With each move you make, your heart rate increases, pumping more oxygen-rich blood to your muscles and organs. This not only revs up your energy levels, but also strengthens your heart and lungs. And there's more good news. Regular aerobic dance can help reduce the risk of heart disease. By keeping your blood vessels clear, it lowers your chances of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. That's the power of dance. It's not just movement, it's medicine for your body. With each beat and step, you're not just dancing, you're fueling your heart with health. Beyond heart health, aerobic dance serves as a full-body workout and a powerful tool for weight loss. When you dance, you engage multiple muscle groups, from your legs and arms to your core and back. As you move to the rhythm, your muscles are constantly working, leading to toned and defined physique over time. The fluid movements of dance also enhance your flexibility, promoting better joint mobility and overall body agility. But that's not all. Aerobic dance is a calorie-burning powerhouse. When you're grooving to the beat, your body is burning calories at a rapid rate, aiding in weight loss. Plus, the high-intensity nature of these workouts gives your metabolism a significant boost, allowing you to continue burning calories even after the music stops. So, say goodbye to belly fat and hello to a leaner, more defined you. With aerobic dance, you're not just moving, you're transforming your body one beat at a time. But aerobic dance isn't just about physical health, it's also a dance of the mind. As you sway, twirl, and leap to the beat, you're not just working your muscles, you're also triggering the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that enhance your mood and create a sense of euphoria. In fact, aerobic dance is a natural stress buster, a rhythmic escape that helps melt away the day's worries and tensions. And as your heart races and your feet move, your mood lifts, replaced with a surge of energy and positivity. You're not just dancing, you're embracing a happier, more energized you. But the dance doesn't stop there. Each step, each movement requires sharp mental focus and coordination, building a stronger mind-body connection. It challenges your stability, improving balance and proprioception. It's a dance of grace, of strength, and of balance. Aerobic dance is a rhythm that speaks to your body and mind alike. There's a shared joy in dancing that fosters social bonds, making aerobic dance a community experience. Imagine a room filled with people, all moving to the same beat, their energy fueling one another. Group dance classes provide a platform for this kind of connection, where you're not just exercising, you're engaging, interacting, and building relationships. It's a space where everyone is welcome, where every step, twirl, and hop is a shared moment of triumph. This communal experience, however, is not limited to the dance floor. It extends beyond, encouraging conversations, friendships, and a sense of belonging. It's like having a support system that understands your journey, your struggles, and your victories. So you see, aerobic dance is not just a workout, it's a social event. Now you might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, it's simpler than you think. First, find a dance style that resonates with you. Are you drawn to the energetic beats of Zumba, the sensual rhythms of salsa, the edgy moves of hip-hop, or the vibrant expressions of Bollywood? Explore and experiment until you find your groove. Once you've chosen your style, remember to warm up. A dynamic warm-up prepares your muscles and joints for the dance session ahead, reducing the risk of injury. Start slow, learn the basic steps first, and gradually progress to more complex routines. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about having fun and enjoying the journey. Hydration is key. dancing can make you sweat buckets, so keep a water bottle handy and take sips throughout your session. Lastly, always listen to your body. If a movement feels uncomfortable, modify it. If you need a break, take it. Your body is the best guide you have, so tune in and respect its signals. As you embark on your aerobic dance journey, remember, the best workout is the one that makes your heart race and your soul dance. So lace up those dance shoes, let the music guide you, and let the rhythm work its magic. Here's to a healthier, happier, and more social you. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or a newbie, aerobic dance welcomes all. There's a rhythm, a pulse, a beat that transcends the usual confines of fitness, invigorating not just your body, but also your soul. Aerobic dance is more than a workout. It's a celebration of life, health, and movement. Let's recap the holistic benefits of this unique fitness form. It boosts your cardiovascular health, providing a full-body workout that burns calories and tones muscles. It enhances your flexibility, coordination, and balance. Beyond the physical, it uplifts your mental well-being, reducing stress and releasing those feel-good endorphins. And let's not forget the joy of shared movement, the sense of community that comes from grooving to the same rhythm. So why wait? It's time to explore this dynamic blend of dance and fitness. Remember, the best workout makes your heart race and your soul dance. So lace up those dance shoes, find your rhythm, and groove your way to a healthier, happier existence.